Hello guys, thank you for being part of me, rather by subscribing my channel. I wish to advise you on this awesome trade pattern that you should always take note of, how you execute and how you come out of the market. So number one, you have to look at this as a W pattern. This is a W pattern. So you can see that on the neckline, that's where I've put the purple color, which is the neckline. And then, in short, I wait for a breakout to happen. So this is where the stop loss is supposed to be. Here is where the stop loss is supposed to be, around just below this, like here is where the stop loss is supposed to be by default, okay, by normal trading. But if you have a small capital and you don't wish to lose any cent, you are supposed to do this. Let me show you what you're supposed to do. You are supposed to do, number one, calculate from the center once you execute your buy. So I'll show you how to execute your buy. First of all, you wait for a breakout. This is the breakout that I waited for. This is the breakout. You wait for a breakout, like on this neckline from here, from the center. Wait for a breakout. Let it go, because once you enter a buy immediately without seeing this and that, you notice that the price will start coming down again to retest on this support. Since it has now been broken from the resistance, it is now a support. So what you're going to do is wait for a breakout. There will be a retest, buy at the continuation. Now, how are you going to buy? Wait for an entry trigger. What I mean by an entry trigger is this. Wait for a pattern that is a reversal pattern. For example, we have got pin bars, we've got hammers. In short, we've got hanging man, we've got gravestone, okay, we've got dodges, we've got bearish engulfing pattern or bullish engulfing patterns. Then we also have the railway track. I wish you to study through these candlesticks, are very important, because in Forex, specifically binary, there are only about 7-8 powerful candlesticks that you must master. Not all candlesticks are important. So since you have entered from here, how do you put your take profit? Your take profit should be placed in this manner. Since I'm using my phone, I wish I was using my PC. So I'll show you how you duplicate. Look from the center there, and this is the area. So you are going to duplicate the same length from the neckline, meaning that you put your stop loss or your take profit right here. In fact, we are just almost there, like there. That's where the ending part, this ending part, this ending part. So we are almost at the center of executing, closing this trade, because that's where the take profit must be. That's by default, the take profit. So don't risk anything in this market. Don't say I'm risking what I can afford to lose. There is nothing to risk. Never risk any cent when you're trading Forex. Never should you risk anything. So you calculate from the center, from the wick bottom wick up to the neckline. Maybe let me change the color so that you perceive it correctly. Let me change the color for your take profit. So that means you are going to close your trade from there up to there. So you wait up to where the orange one ends. That's where your take profit must be placed. Meaning that once you have noticed that the price has reached that area, from there up to somewhere around here, where it's ending, that's where your take profit must be. But because of the nature of the market, I don't advise you to put the take profit. You place, you start moving your stop loss instead of placing a take profit. You just move your stop loss instead of you putting the take profit, because there are chances that the market will continue. Okay, so make use of the Fibonacci retracement. Of course, I will go into details on a particular topic when I come. I'm looking at how far the price has to go. So you can see even the Fibonacci has confirmed that this is where the price has to go. Don't worry, if you're new to my channel, I will definitely put in more videos. I just started the channel, so there are a lot of things that I need to make sure I lay foundation of. I do not want to feed you with a bone, or rather a big stone in the study of Forex. So having looked at where the price is coming, I now already know where the price has huge chances to go back to reverse. So just make sure you follow this simple strategy. It's a very powerful strategy. Don't risk anything in the market. Never risk what you can afford to lose. In short, don't risk anything. There is nothing like risking what you can afford to lose. No, you don't risk anything in this market. Just follow it the way it is. Don't risk a cent. So this is how you are going to trade. So I'll put my take profit, my stop loss here at 9551.2. Why do I put it here? Because I know already to say there was a minor rejection here. This candlestick here rejected from there. That's where it stopped. So just because I'm in this trade doesn't mean that the price cannot go back to hit my stop loss. It's very possible. But as much as I know you have already milked the market slightly, there is a percentage you have obtained from this market. So all this is just the top up of what you are supposed to obtain. So this is a strategy, but I'll go into details because at W we can trade it in 5 strategies. There are 5 strategies to trade this W, but I'm just only showing you one strategy.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do motivate me by just subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Also share with your friends and family if that is possible. And then don't forget to join the Telegram channel where you will be getting the signals specifically for free. And if you wish also to join the team I'm training in details, I have a special class where you too can be part of via Zoom sessions, which I host every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So enjoy